We work with Excel because we feel that with them, we are getting one of the most advanced skills-based training that we can get in the market.
One of the unique things about the partnership between Booking.com and Excel Communications is that this phenomenal growth of the Booking.com organisation is largely based upon bringing in some brilliant, intelligent, capable people, but individuals who don't necessarily have a lot of management or leadership experience. That's where Excel Communications comes in.
We work with Excel on a range of training programs, and in fact in the beginning when I started 3 years ago we were really working with them on leadership training. Now we also work with them on sales training, which is critical to our business.
Excel Communications know Booking.com inside out. They know the people inside out. They know the culture inside out.
They know this business better than most of the participants. They've been training with us for a long time. They remember what they hear. They connect the dots. So in terms of the trainers working with us, they work and keep themselves up to date. They will take time after a training to talk to participants. They will answer emails from them. So from a trainer perspective, we have committed trainers who think with us and care about our people.
Whether it's a 2-hour session or a 4-day session, you will always come out of such a session with skills that you can immediately apply when you go back to work. So I think we really do touch lives in a way very successfully.
Excel have a particular philosophy around creating environments that are fun. They're very creative, the exercises that we do. I think one of the unique things about Excel is we work with flip charts, not PowerPoint. And I think that makes for a far more engaging experience. There's a real focus on experiential learning. The courses that we have are very practical based. It's all about, but what does it mean, how you're going to use it? That is what is really important.
When we're working in the training room, we do pick up training needs that might not be addressed there and then. And we take these back to the client and make sure that they're aware of them and we can actually do something else in future. And I think that's why we've continued to grow the number of programs that actually really work for the people in the room. That's the essential ingredient.
Excel deliver the training for us in Europe, they deliver it for us in Americas and also in Asia. So we want to make sure that wherever the training's delivered, it has the same experience for every one of our participants.
I would sum up Aspiring Leaders as a moment to take a step back and really reflect on yourself, your team, and where you can add value.
If you're becoming a leader, you need to come and do this. It's one of the best things you can do to get you going in the beginning.
You get to share with the other team members, you share your experiences, you get best practices from everyone. It's basically the best training I've ever been to develop yourself.
Hearing the feedback from some of the participants is one of the most thrilling things for us, because you know that what we do here changes lives. It doesn't just help organisations develop, it helps change and develop careers.
What we see with Excel Communications, with the management trainings, they score by far the highest continuously. So we measure it during the year and they are on a level of 80+, which is extremely high.
If I was a new company looking at Excel, I think the things that I would be asking myself is, can they supply to me on a global level? Yes. Can they design with me? Yes. Can they look strategically at what my business needs and customize training for my business? Yes. So I would say for all those reasons, you can be confident with Excel.